If you're anything like me, your safety of your home is super important, especially if you have a family. You want to make sure that everybody is safe and secure inside the home. So this was actually sent to me for review. So this is the Tuya Intelligent Alarm, tailored for your safe and intelligent life. So it's small enough, so I'm excited to get out of the package. Let's take a look.
So just looking at the box, I like that you have different options down here. So it says multi-language, it's a high decibel alarm, timing, arm, disarm, and then you have app remote control, which is appreciated. And I can really appreciate the way this is packaged. You can see that it has the styrofoam all around, again, just to make sure that it does remain safe and secure in transit. I also like the manual. Again, this is anytime you have a tech product, I appreciate when there's a manual in here. I do also like that you have pictures. That's always helpful as well, and lots of options regarding the buttons, the menu, and the settings. Here is everything out of the package. You do get a lot, which is appreciated, just to make sure that you're able to get a seamless installation. You have lots of options in here. They do give you the hardware as far as what you can drill into the wall. You do have some sticky options as well, so if you prefer to do that. And then you have a lot of options. There's some fobs over here. You also have some charging cables to help you there. And then here is the actual display, and I think it looks so nice. And again, very easy to see. You have the digital display here, and then you can arm and disarm as needed, but just really, really great, very easy to manipulate. And then again, you have your smart security system manual just to help you out when it comes to setting specific things in there.